Hello and welcome to Stone Art Expressions Part 2. I have mixed ochre color and white color and applied this combination as a base coat over the stone. Since this stone is somewhat in oval shape, I will draw a face over it. So if we divide this surface like this, then I will sketch the eyes over here. I am sketching very gently over the stone as it can peel away the acrylic base coat. I am drawing an open mouth here with the teeth showing. Like he is super scared kind of an expression. Carefully go over the lines. Try not to peel the base coat. Draw a hairline at the top. Now let's get ready to paint. I am using a thin 2-number round brush to paint the outlines. You can use thin marker pens for drawing thin lines, especially the eyes, mouth and other details. I'm adding some more details. And yes, he looks really super scared. Some more details. And now you can paint white parts of the teeth and the eyes. Paint pink cheeks to add some more color and some more color to the other parts of the face. Outline for the teeth, and my stone art scary expression part 2 is completed. Hey guys, don't forget to watch the next video on stone painting, so stay tuned.